Hello, Dhruv. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, how are you?
I find you.
Yeah, I'm fine, doing good.
Great. I hope yesterday you have received the certificate, whatever you have done, right? Advanced certificate in VBA script with Excel.
Correct, correct. Correct.
Mm, You just tell me whatever your overall experience of the course.
Initially, the requirement which I was having, since I'm a working professional, so basically the requirement was very much, creeps like to go with the use cases and which I can like accomplish with my office work and all.
Yeah.
So going ahead, I have already got your number from just dial, and let's we had a conversation over the call itself. Post that I reach out to you over, I mean, physically, and from day one also, I mean, day one after having a conversation with you, I had a good feeling like, yeah, my agenda or my objective may get fulfilled. Yeah. And going ahead after completing the session, yeah, I can obviously tell that yeah, my perspective of doing this course has fulfilled.
Okay, great. And we hope that means I hope that we have trying to fulfill your all expectations that we covered in our that what the course you have taken like advanced certificate courses and BBA. And
Correct, correct.
tell me one thing that the modules, whatever we have taught, right, last this the sessions, right, where the modules
Hmm.
are well structured and easy to follow. In your case, what is your feelings about that? Now, whatever the modules, whatever the learning we have provided to that is well structured and that was meet your all learning experiences.
Yeah, since see, basically I'm from a non-coding background, so
Yeah.
this was the first course which I've taken. Like I've done some coding in my school and college days. After so much time, like I have came up to this situation that I need to take up these courses. But yeah, those the structures and all and the module structure was very much user friendly. Basically, it has been structured in such a way that non-coding from a non-coding background a person can take and become a pro.
Okay,
So
so you
yeah,
don't
it
have any
was.
problem to understand. You don't have any problem to understand that modules in the sessions, right? In the
No, actually, the modules was pretty much I can say it has been designed in a way like which suits the user cases, not like reading a thing and going with the flow. But we have also noticed the real time scenario should get also fit in, like the things which you're learning. So in this module or the structure which I have already went through in your institution or the course, it was pretty much aligned with the real time scenario. Yeah.
okay, great. So we hope means you have good learning experience, whatever we have understood, right? And
Yeah, yeah.
was the instructor was able to explain that difficult VBA concept clearly because VBA is some advanced scripting I as per my knowledge that they have taught to you, right? So was the instructor was able to explain that difficult VBA concept clearly and you are coming from a non-coding background, so you don't have any problem to understand, right? These things.
Yeah, basically what happened initial days, since I was from a different background, so I have that, I left that touch of doing the coding and all. So the instructor was good. He or she, whoever, I mean, who has already taught me this particular course or aligned with me. He or she was able to provide a real time example whenever there is any difficulties. So it was easier, pretty much, to
And
understand.
yes, yes. And do you feel confident in applying the VBA skill that you have learned? So you are applying in your actual real-time works in office, whatever you have missed, whatever you come, then you told to us that you have. some kind of problem you are facing in the office related work, right? While applying,
Mm-hmm.
right? So now
Mm-hmm.
you just share with us that do you feel confident in applying the VBA skill, whatever you have learned with this course in your current
Yeah,
job?
true. Actually, previously, whenever if a non-coding background people is there, they can tell you with me whenever you will see a code, you will get tossed. You don't know anything like what is going over there, like how it is coming. Only a set of program and then it is executed. That's it. But what is the logic? How it is starting, or what is the entry point, exit point, like whatever how the structure should be made. So those things I was unaware of before this particular module and this course, which I am pretty much confident right now. And yeah, I can manage myself pretty much confident. If I compare when I've been to your institute before, the status and now the status is very much different. I feel much confident. Yeah.
Great. And we hope that we and the course materials, right? Like your reading materials, your assignment. That is very helpful and easy to understand, right? You don't have any problem to use our LMS because you are doing the hybrid mode, na? So sometimes you are in the office, sometimes you are doing the online. So the course
Mhm.
materials, the LMS, that was any problem to face any kind of issues with you?
No, no, no. That was pretty much good, and also the added advantage is that using LMS you can if you want to go through the to clear out some of the topics which you have been through after some days. If you forget, you can always access the element, and also the support also you also provided in hybrid mode. So yeah, the material and the the assessment or the course module structure or the material which you have provided was pretty much good.
Great. So yeah, we understand that you are feeling good learning experience with Edu Creative, and
Hmm.
we are also means that our pleasure that we have provided your all fulfillment, whatever your expectation, right, that you get from this course. And just overall, I can ask that if you have the option to scale out of five, right, 1 to 5, how would you rate the overall experience of this course to our learning students?
I would like to score 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, that will be my score or
Okay.
rating.
Yeah, yeah. And would you recommend this course to others those are looking to advance their VBA skills and Excel skills?
Yeah, definitely. Nowadays, people are upskilling themselves. Like as for me, like a professional, who is working in day-to-day life, will be going for some of the automations or any codings if people are required. So I will definitely recommend you. Whoever want to do, definitely it is flexible to do in this type of hybrid mode from your institute.
Okay. And finally, if you show your certificate to all learners, those are coming, that will be
Mhm.
good this year. So that is good.
Thank you.
Okay. So can you share your
Yeah.
screen and show the certificate, whatever you have got?
Uh, one sec. I'll
Yeah,
have.
yeah. Thanks.
One minute, I'm just
Yes,
having
yes,
a check.
you can take your time. Okay.
Yeah, I'll just share my screen.
Yes, yes, you can share.
Are you able to view? my screen, or
Yes, no, your
is it
screen is not visible. Can you please clear again? Okay. Yes, yes. Now I can see your screen. Great. That you have already completed with your expectation, that certificate as well as your skill set, right? That you got.
right, right?
And
Yeah,
thank you so much for your kind words. And we are thrilled to hear that you found the VBA course very comprehensive and valuable for your learning. And our obviously that from the Edu Creative side, I can say our goal is to provide a solid foundation of practical insights, and that can definitely touch to your core value, right? Because when
correct.
you come, that time you told to us that you have facing this kind of problems, and as a non-coding background, you are not understanding the code structure, the or the architect they have followed inside the code, you are not understood. So
Yeah,
from that perspective, from that point, we are trying to provide you such kind of learning. So very small examples to the advanced level. So as a non-coding background, you don't feel any kind of problems to understand. And now I hope that you can comfortably apply those skills into your practical places like your office. So you can completely means do these things at your own, and that is our rewards, that you are understand and you can apply, you can learn something from Edu Creative, that advanced VBA script. Thank you again for your choosing Edu Creative, and we are also support you throughout the learning journey. And thank you.
thank you so much.
We are look forward to seeing you, and we hope that you can succeed in your future endeavors, whatever you have taken, right? Thank you
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.